What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. Look at that hat, bro. Hat looking dope. Got the Mustang here warming up real quick with the top off. Look at that shine. About to go take her to the car wash real quick. Once we clean her up, she should look way better. And then I'm gonna go out, you know, do my thing, you know, drift and shit. So stay tuned and enjoy what you're about to see. If you haven't already and this is new to you, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, share it. Help me grow. Helping me grow will help me make more videos for you guys. Let's do that. So it's like return a favor for one another. And if you don't know what this is my drift car. It's my 1999 Mustang. Got a welded diff, and that's pretty much it. Just building it, cleaning her up, getting her prepped up to make her better for drifting and having fun doing stunts, drifting, and all that fun stuff, and learning along the way. So yeah, let's do this. Out here at the tire shop right now, trying to get some new tires for the back so we can go drifting and shit. Let's see, tires right there. Just waiting for my turn so that we could get out of here. Merch looking good, but yeah, just waiting. Look how clean that shit looks. Super clean with the new rotors and brakes and shocks. Super clean. So update. Basically, I don't think we're gonna go to the car wash today because we're still at the tire shop. You see the Mustang right there. Focus. Yeah, still here. Been like an hour and so, and I think by the time I get to the car wash, it's gonna be closed. So I don't think that's gonna happen, but it's alright. I'll go tomorrow morning, but she still looks good though. Look at that, all fresh new stuff, and the paint's shining without being washed. Can't wait to wash her. She's gonna look real good. Can't wait to drift her too. That's the main thing I want to do. Can't wait. Stay tuned. One tire's done. Look at the third rear. Just want to show you guys. So when I destroyed them, you guys see the difference. So yeah, we out of the tire shop finally. After like an hour and some change. I was thinking that they're gonna give me a discount for waiting so long, but guess not. That's not how it works. So paid $60 for another set. So $30 a piece. Cheaper than what I paid last time. Last time the other shop charged me $40 a piece, which was 80 bucks. That's saved myself 20 bucks basically. But yeah, so now I'm on my way. About to go to my mom's house real quick. Say what's up to the brothers and sisters, my mom. Drink some coffee real quick. Spread a little positivity, make them laugh and shit. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna go with the sister drifting. I don't know if my brother's gonna want to because he'll be busy doing his thing. So we'll see what happens. It's funny because before I get to my sister's house, I wanted to say something because it's funny because when I was in the gas station and some guy just pulls up. And I've seen him before. I know he has a Civic and a Volkswagen, a hatch. So basically he came up to me, he's like, yo, you that dude that was drifting in the middle of the street on my block? And I was like, yeah. So he told me the street name. I was like, yeah, that was me. He's like, yeah, you're the only one, you must not be from around here to be doing shit like that. I was like, I just do me, you know what I'm saying? I do my own thing. I do things that I like, you know what I'm saying? And there ain't nobody over here where I'm from that do what I do here, where I live at. So I'm the only one doing it. I'm the only crazy one to be doing it in the middle of the, you know, in Mexico, in the middle of the street in Mexico, you know what I'm saying? It's doing my thing. But I like that. I like to see that people see I stand out. And that's what I like to do. I like to stand out, do what I like, and I don't worry about what the people think or the Mexico, whatever Mexico thinks about what I do. I just do me. You only live once, so I'm gonna live it my way. Just parked the Stang, walking towards my mom's house real quick, you know. About to pull up. It was my sister's birthday and my birthday not too long ago. So I didn't give her a gift yet because I wanted to give her something special, but what I wanted to give her was gonna take too long to come, so she's gonna take whatever I got her in my hands. Say what's up to the camera.
What's up?
Say what's up.
What's up?
You wanna be on YouTube?
No.
No? How about you, little girl?
He's a boy.
Oh, it's a boy? Oh. What's up? What's up? Look at you're on camera right now, so what you say? I thought so. Go make the coffee, alright? Don't be talking over there. I ain't trying to nothing, alright? You can stay with your little daughter in the car seat. Or the carriage, whatever. Say that, say what's up.
What's up?
Say what's up, YouTube. Say what's up. Oh, you play maracas now? Look at yeah. Look at the birthday girl. Late birthday girl.
Late birthday boy.
There you go. My bootlegger gift to her. Sadly. You're so nosy, huh?
No.
You want that? You want that?
Huh? No.
No, I want that? Come on, dad for the camera. You want that? There you go. Oh, shit. Just got beat up. Damn. You okay? We bought a V.
Bye.
Say bye.
Wait.
Yeah, Jay, she's coming with me. You gonna say bye to the channel?
Bye, stupid show.
Oh, shit. Wow, she called y'all stupid.
Bye. Okay, show. Bye, stupid show.
Hey, don't be saying that.
Hi.
Say,
Do
say,
later.
say I miss you.
I miss you, bye.
Jeff, they bug.
Bye, Darren. I'm leaving too.
Let's go. Yeah. Right now we're in the car. We got the sister, and we got the backup car over there. Just gonna record from a different angle. So right now we're about to go prep. I'm trying to decide where to go so we can go drifting real quick without, you know, Mexico policia trying to find us and shit, you know, right? Hat, dope. I like the hat. Let me know you want to buy one, bro. Y'all want to buy one? Let me know. Hooking it up. So yeah, we're pulling up on the first spot real quick. About to go in the lot. You know, we're going in a parking lot in Mexico. Right, Jay?
Yeah.
About to go hit this first spot. It's gonna kind of be dark. I don't know if you guys see me right now. It's gonna be dark, but hopefully we get some good clips in here. Hopefully nobody bothers us and let us do our things. You know, a lot of people don't like drifting in Mexico, you know? They don't like that shit. So let's do it. Right now we're doing how you call it? Surveillance. You know, we're helping the police right now. The Mexico police, we're helping them right now. You know, this is like a charity work I do for them. And then we do our thing, you know, that's the 50-50. You know, we help the police, you know, through charity, and then they let us drift over here for free. That's how it works. Oh, the guy there. Yeah, wait, let's wait for this guy, whatever he's doing. Probably, yeah, he's leaving. Don't move, stay there.
99% of New Yorkers.
Huh?
So what are you waiting for? For the best service you need, head to T-Mobile.
Oh, they're making out in the corner.
Yeah, but don't. Go to the top floor. Up top.
I didn't even notice them there.
Alright, we go. We're gonna drift a little bit right now. Yo, stay back, stay back, stay back, stay back. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a little
Got
bit.
it.
Oh, this motherfucker's fucking over there. See if I can do it. So yeah, just finished paying for the ticket. About to just leave right now. About to leave right now because, you know, compromise. There was actually some people, a couple making out, about to start, you know, doing some real sexual shit in their car. I didn't even notice they were there. So they were in Mexico, about to, you know, go in. So we interrupted that shit a little bit. They got scared. That last clip you saw me drifting in, I'm pretty sure they got scared because they're like, I messed up his, you know, his fun. But whatever. On to the next spot.
Yeah.
Looks beautiful, right, guys? Yeah, you can see this. In Mexico, we're in Mexico. This is like a, how do you say it? This is like a tourist attraction in Mexico. It kind kind of look like the Statue of Liberty, but that's not the Statue of Liberty. That's plastic. Don't worry. Looks good though. Look good. They made it just like you know where. But yeah, Mexico is dope.
The sky looks clear today.
Yeah, Mexico was dope today. Crazy. Anyways, let's go back to drifting. Oh, there. I mean.
The white. Do you see her face? She's like.
In Mexico, the Mexico people, you know, they're not used to seeing me, you know,
Yeah.
do that shit in Mexico. Right? The first time they experience something like a Mustang not crashing into things. That's why they're shocked. They get shocked like, Mustang's gonna hit me, and then like, oh no, it don't. It drifts.
It's funny.
Let's see if we can get this. This is a sharp corner.
It's tight.
The way out.
Nope. I don't think so. Is that a way out? Oh yeah.
So, just dropped the sister off. I was trying to get more drifting for you guys, but you know, like I said, in Mexico, the police in Mexico don't really like and condone drifting, even if you have your own private road. So, couldn't drift really a lot, you know, in the locations that I have authorization to drift in, because I didn't want, you know, I don't want to get the people that own the locations in trouble. So I just drifted a little bit. I got a few clips for you guys. Actually, a lady, and if you hear us in the video, I thought we got that on video, but we didn't. Her face was shocking as hell when we were drifting. We drifted on that roundabout. She's like, that shit was too funny. That's just, I wish we could have got her face, man. That would have been super funny. But anyways, at least we got to drift a little bit, you know, and I got to take the sister out again in Mexico drifting, and it was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, help me grow. You help me grow, more videos for you, know? And there's more of a reason for me to keep moving forward, making more videos, to grow even more, and to reach further heights, because I'm gonna keep drifting no matter what. But you know, I like making videos also, and it would be dope if I could actually get the channel to grow to where I want it to be. Have an audience to watch me and follow me to grow to where I want to be. You know, maybe one day compete at the drift shifters is really what I would love to do. If you ever seen drift shifters, I really want to do that shit with Mad Mike. And that would be super dope. So yeah, if you guys believe in the dream, if you like the videos, subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on, stay tuned, right? Stay positive and believe in yourself. Peace.